Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you the COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease detection, or in that project we are detecting the multiple disease using machine learning and the Python programming language. Okay, so these are the complete data set of images. So these are the complete images of bacterial pneumonia. Let's scroll it. So this is the complete data set, and now we are opening the coronavirus disease. Okay, so these are the diseases of the X-ray images of the coronavirus person X-ray images. So on that particular images we train the model. Okay, and when we train the model, it will identify that the person is suffering from which disease. Okay, so we can just input that particular image of X-ray and it will recognize like which disease is there, okay, in that X-ray images. So we have 5 diseases like bacterial pneumonia, coronavirus disease, normal, tuberculosis or viral pneumonia. Okay, so let's open the viral pneumonia folder. So we have trained on the large data set, so we got the good accuracy, and this whole project is integrated with the web interface in Django. So let's run the project and copy that URL and paste in any browser. Okay, so paste this link. Okay, it will open the web interface. Now we have to select the file, or we have to select an image from the dataset folder. Okay, dataset contain multiple images. Let's give the viral pneumonia image and click on the submit button. Like, you can give any random image and it will identify like which disease in that particular image. Okay, so it predict that viral pneumonia. Like that, you can provide any image, random image, and just click on the submit button. So model will load and it will predict like it is normal. So it will give it the different diseases. Like, I'm just giving the tuberculosis image and click on the submit button. Okay, it will predict like tuberculosis. So this is the complete project, and if you are searching any type of project, you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or if you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.